Hello canoeists, Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide. You've been asking, so I'm going to show you my cook box. So the first thing you need to know about a guide's cook box is it only goes together one way. So the guide that packed it is always the guide that packs it because they know how it goes together. So let's get started. We got the fireplace gloves, trash bags, camper kitchens, in a plastic so the black doesn't get on anything else. And I kept losing these. People just thought they were random trash bags, so I had to label them, camper kitchen. So then they see the label and it's like, oh, it's not trash. And it's like, no, it's not trash. This one's labeled big coffee pot. So there's the 20 cupper that goes on a lot of trips. Plates, mixing bowls. I carry 3, but I carried 2 for years, and it was plenty. These are hors d'oeuvre plates, crackers, cheese, different things like that. My spice kit. Inside the coffee pot is the cooking oil and the Pam, because there's always a little bit of coffee or a little bit of water in there, and it doesn't matter if these get wet. So I had to make a little room, but it's still all coming out of this box. So the next thing is I always take a tablecloth. This is a nice oilskin tablecloth. I like it because it defines the cook's area, and it's something you can clean. You know, before you got there, Mickey the Mope was sitting on this picnic table, okay? You know it. And if it's the kind that has the structure so that you can put a tarp over, everybody's feet were on top of this, putting that tarp up over top. So I like this because it keeps it clean. Nice tablecloth. Multiple cutting boards, the nice color-coded for different things so that you don't mix cutting meats and vegetables and things like that. Everybody gets a cup, and it's labeled before we leave. This is just the blue painter's tape. If this goes on a clean, dry cup, you can wash this every day of the canoe trip, and you'll never lose that label with that person's name on it, which is kind of amazing. I carry 2 stock pots with the lids. So this is the big version. This is the smaller version. I like these. I think I got these at Cabela's. I like these because they're self-draining lids. If you've got fireplace gloves on, because this is going to be hot, this will drain out totally pasta, things like that. And I like those. It's restaurant quality. I really like it. And the last thing is the silverware roll and the utensil roll. Both made by Jane Barron, Alderstream Canvas, and kind of a game changer the way it keeps things clean and organized, and she's taking orders for these. I'm Lisa DeHart. You've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.